If you've ever wondered what powers operating systems, game engines, embedded gadgets, it's this. C, not C++, not Python. Just C. It's fast, it's minimal, and learning it makes you dangerously good at computers. Here's the plan. I'll hook you. I'll teach you the basics. Then you'll apply it in a tiny hands-on challenge. Why C? Because it lets me talk close to the metal without writing pure assembly. Speed memory control. It's the language behind Unix, Linux, Git, Sclite drivers. If you can read C, you can read how computers really think. Teach. Core idea 1. Types. In C, I pick exact sizes. Int char float double. I'm telling the machine how much space I need. Core idea 2. Control flow. If else while for switch simple. Fast. Predictable. Core idea 3. Functions. I declare a return type and parameters. I keep my code clean. Main is where everything starts. Core idea 4. Pointers. This is the superpower. A pointer holds a memory address. Star means value at. Ampersand means address of. Mess it up and you crash. Master it and you fly. Core idea 5. Memory. Stack is automatic. Heap is manual. Malloc to get free to give back leaks. Slowly kill programs. Core idea 6. Compilation. I write source. The compiler turns it into machine code. GCC clang, then I run the binary. Warnings are gold. I treat them like errors. Core idea 7. Headers. Declarations in H files. Definitions in C files. I include what I use. Apply. Let's build a tiny program you can type right now. Goal. Read until you have some numbers. Print total. This touches input loops, error checks. Step 1. I include stio for input output and stdlib if I need utility stuff. Step 2. I declare a long for big totals. Step 3. I loop while scanf returns one number. If scan fails, I break. Step 4. I print the result with printf. That's basic C muscle. Want extra credit? Make it read from a file by redirecting input in your terminal. Or add a count of how many numbers you saw. Level up tips. Compile with wall, wextra, wearer, std, c17. Use address sanitizer to catch memory bugs early. Run with valgrind on Linux to find leaks. Break your code on purpose to learn faster. Common pitfalls. Off by 1 errors in arrays. Forgetting the null terminator in strings. Using uninitialized variables. Freeing memory twice. I slow down. Add print checks and test small. Next steps. Write a string reverser. Parse a CSV line. Implement a dynamic array with reloc. Then read real C code. The Linux kernel comments Sclite source. Musel. libc bottom line. C won't hold your hand, and that's the point. Master it and every other language makes more sense. I'm cheering you on. Open a file, type main, and start. Let's make the machine dance.